Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox can't join game error. If you can't join a Roblox game, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues or vice versa. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Roblox app and then swipe it away. Then reopen it. Make sure the game servers aren't down. You can check online or try a different game. Then on Android, clear the apps cache. On iPhone, open your settings, go to general, then iPhone storage. Next, you're going to scroll down and find Roblox, then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will take back your data if the app is still available for download. After that, disable battery optimization or background restrictions on Android. On iPhone, make sure that your focus or do not disturb mode is turned off. Send a test notification like a friend request or message to confirm it's working. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.